Hey everybody, my name is Frankie MacDonald. Here's going to talk about history of Frankie MacDonald, learning how to use computers. And when I was a little toddler, I played gadgets and toys and things like that. And when I was a little boy, I played with toy computers back then. And I used to be interested in computers when I was a little kid, including organizers and things like that. When I was a little boy, I was interested in getting a desktop computer even when I was a little kid back then. And in the 1990s, and when I was a little kid, I learned how to use computers during my early childhood days and things like that. When I was in elementary school, I learned how to use computers even more, and I got better at it in 1998. I'm starting to get a little bit better in the late 1990s using computer. I'm getting really well using computers and internet back then. Then in the early 2000s, in 2002, 2003, I took keyboarding class in Sydney Academy High School, and I learned how to type. Now I type really faster than ever before, and I became more interested in laptops in late 2000s and things like that. Since when I was a little boy, I was drawn at computers. Now I became interested in computers when I was a little kid back in the 1990s and 2000s. Since during my childhood days, and my favorite kind of computers is really high-end computers and ultra high-end computers, like desktop computers and laptop computers. My favorite kind of computers is really high-end desktop and laptop computers with a really fast processor, really high RAM, and solid-state drive and hard driving these days. Now, that's my favorite kind of computers. I love really high-end gaming computers and powerful computers. I became interested in computers when I was a little boy, back in the early 1990s, and since during my childhood, I became interested in computers as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Frankie MacDonald.